Okay, this next one is one that I have to admit I found a little tricky when I first learned it. So if you need to really take your time and do it slowly before you get it, that's okay. You're going to do your shuffle step heel. Then you're going to do a back flap step heel behind the foot, and then a step heel to the side, and then a back flap with the other foot heel drop, step heel to the side. So you're doing a spank step instead of, as a backwards flap. So it's a little tricky, but with some practice, you'll get it. So you're doing shuffle, step, heel, spank, toe, heel, heel, toe, heel, spank, toe, heel, heel, toe, heel. Now what messes people up, one, that spank back is kind of funky. That's really what kind of messed me up. But the heel drops, you have to make sure you're dropping the correct heel. Otherwise your weight is going to be in the wrong place to do what comes next. So you're doing your shuffle step heel. That's all on the right foot. Spank toe. Now you're going to drop the left heel, then the right heel. Then toe heel. Spank toe with the right foot. Right heel, left heel, toe heel. Then it goes to the left side, shuffle, step heel, spank toe. Now you drop the right heel, then the left heel, step heel, spank toe left, left heel, right heel, toe heel. So putting it together, you're going to do shuffle, step, heel, spank, toe, heel, heel, toe, heel, spank, toe, heel, heel, toe, heel. Shuffle, step, heel, spank, toe, heel, heel, toe, heel, spank, toe, heel, heel, toe, heel. Shuffle, step, heel, spank, toe, heel, heel, toe, heel, spank, toe, heel, heel, toe, heel. Shuffle, step, heel, spank, toe, heel, heel, toe, heel, spank, toe, heel, heel, toe, heel. Okay, let's try this again. So you have, starting with that right foot, shuffle, step, heel, spank, toe, heel, heel, toe, heel, spank, toe, heel, heel, toe, heel. Shuffle, step, heel, spank, toe, heel, heel, toe, heel, spank, toe, heel, heel, toe, heel. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and shuffle, step, heel, spank, toe, heel, heel, toe, heel, spank, toe, heel, heel, toe, heel. Shuffle, step, heel, spank, toe, heel, heel, toe, heel, spank, toe, heel, heel, toe, heel. Shuffle, step, heel, spank, toe, heel, heel, toe, heel, spank, toe, heel, heel, toe, heel. Shuffle, step, heel, spank, toe, heel, heel, toe, heel, spank, toe, heel, heel, toe, heel. Shuffle, step, heel, spank, toe, heel, heel, toe, heel, spank, toe, heel, heel, toe, heel. Starting with the shuffle step heel on the right foot, you're going to go shuffle, step, heel, spank, toe, heel, heel, toe, heel, spank, toe, heel, heel, toe, heel. Shuffle, step, heel, spank, toe, heel, heel, toe, heel, spank, toe, heel, heel, toe, heel. Shuffle, step, heel, spank, toe, heel, heel, toe, heel, spank, toe, heel, heel, toe, heel. Shuffle, step, heel, spank, toe, heel, heel, toe, heel, spank, toe, heel, heel, toe, heel. Shuffle, step, heel, spank, toe, heel, heel, toe, heel, spank, toe, heel,